Firstly, we need to include our C++ library. Second, using a namespace standard tag, let's declare a main function. And here's our code execution. First, we need to declare two variables to add, and then we need to input those two variables in our program, and simply we are returning our output, that's the addition of two numbers. So let's see how we can run this program. So first we need to do is just build this. So I am using a genuine MinGW compiler, and here as you can see our build is finished successfully. So now let's run this. uh, and we need to enter our two numbers, that's 12 and 23. Here you get 35. But if we need to write this input and output again and again, as you will know, in competitive programming or so, we had to deal with complex coding problems, and sometimes our code might not be correct, and we had to enter input again and again. So to deal with that situation, firstly you need to go to the terminal, then configure task, and select the g++.exe compiler. If you are using MinGW, it's showing here. And then in the arguments directory or in the arguments list, here is known as args, you need to add just two lines of code. That's the end, and let's copy this. So we output f.in, that's it. And now if I need to enter two number, I can enter here and just simply build my program. Here you can see output is shown in the screen. Output is just written in the output f.in file. That's it for this video. Have a nice day.